Did you know there's a jellyfish that doesn't die of old age? Or a shrimp that snaps so fast it creates a shockwave hotter than the sun? The animal kingdom is far stranger and cooler than you think. Today we're diving into 10 mind-blowing animal facts that will challenge everything you thought you knew about nature. From immortal sea creatures to animals with real-life superpowers, this list is full of surprises. So hit that like button, subscribe to Curiosities, Virals and Facts and let's get into it. Fact 1. The immortal jellyfish Turritopsis dohrnii, a jellyfish that can reverse its aging process. When it's old or injured, it transforms back into its younger form and starts life over. Unless something eats it, this jellyfish could technically live forever. Fact 2. Octopuses can turn off their brains. Octopuses are incredibly intelligent, but when they rest, they shut down parts of their brain. They have 3 hearts, and when they swim, one of them stops beating. Fact 3. The pistol shrimp. This tiny shrimp snaps its claw so fast it creates a bubble hotter than the sun. The shockwave stuns or kills its prey, and the sound it makes is loud enough to mess with sonar. Fact 4. Rats laugh when tickled. When scientists tickle rats, they produce high-frequency giggles. It's weird and kind of adorable. Fact 5. Male seahorses get pregnant. In the seahorse world, it's the males that carry the babies. They have a pouch where females deposit the eggs, and dad does the rest. If you could be any animal for a day, what would you choose? And why? Let me know in the comments. I'm reading them all. Fact 6. Blue whale heart. The heart of a blue whale weighs over 400 pounds, the size of a small car, and it beats just 2 to 8 times per minute while diving. Fact 7. Zombie ants. There's a fungus that infects ants and takes over their bodies. It forces them to climb high before it bursts out and spreads spores. Fact 8. Penguins have knees. They look like they're waddling on short legs, but penguins actually have knees. They're just hidden under feathers and fat. Fact 9. Dolphins have names. Dolphins use unique whistles to identify themselves, basically like names. They respond to their own name and call others by theirs. Fact 10. Dogs can tell time. Dogs know when it's time for dinner. They sense time by reading environmental cues, scent fading, and even shadows. The animal world is full of mysteries, superpowers, and behavior that defies logic. The more we learn, the more we realize. We've barely scratched the surface. If you loved these weird and wonderful facts, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with someone who loves animals as much as you do.